Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to add to your Instagram highlights without adding to your story. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click the three bars in the upper right corner, then click story, then just choose whatever you want to upload and click on the cog wheel in the upper right, then click story. Press close friends and make an alt account or an account you know is inactive and add it as a close friend. So that will only tell that inactive account that you uploaded a story. Then just click done and press done again, then again, and just upload your story, make your story whatever it is. I'm just gonna record an example video and then press share to close friends. That way it will upload a story to only the inactive account you selected. If you click on your story, then click a highlight and you make a highlight, just call it example for this video. So we'll create that highlight. Then if you go back to your profile, you can see that you added a highlight and nobody on your account will be notified that you made that story. They'll only see the highlight. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope you found this video useful and I'll see you in the next one.